this first Easter DIY, we are going to make the speckled egg garland. You will need these 2 hanging egg decor pieces from the Dollar Tree. You will need whatever paint colors you choose. You're going to need some jute twine and a hot glue gun. To begin, you're going to disassemble the eggs, taking them off of the sticky piece that holds them together, and then you're going to sand it with sandpaper just to get rid of any residue from the sticker. The next step is to just paint them. I used a beige brown, a white, and a sage green color, and it did take 2 coats to get full coverage, but they dried within just a couple of minutes, so it was a really quick process. The next step was to make my eggs speckled, and to do that I just used a toothbrush, dipped it in paint, and then used my finger to rub the bristles so that it would kind of spray paint or speckle, you could say, the eggs. Then I just turned all the eggs over so that I could glue onto the side that won't be showing, and that's where I attached the jute twine. Here's the final product. I absolutely love it. I actually am thinking about making a second one for the other shelf. If you enjoyed this DIY, please give this video a thumbs up, and we'll get on to the next DIY. Next up is this egg ribbon wreath. For this project, you will need this garland egg and ribbon colors of your choice. First step is to remove all the garland from the egg. It is just wound around the egg. Once that's complete, you're basically just going to take the ribbon and you're going to wind it around the egg the same way the garland was. You may need some hot glue. Unfortunately, I wasn't paying close enough attention, and there are several times where I'm not even in the view of the camera, so I'm really sorry about that. If you guys enjoyed these DIYs, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.